Hello, and thank you for taking time to watch this video about Kennebec Water District's upcoming Pleasant Street Area Water Main Improvements Project taking place this year in Waterville. My name is Max Kenny. I'm part of the district's engineering team and project manager for this important water infrastructure project. During this video, we will review the construction team, the need for the project, where the project is located, details around the temporary water system that will be established to provide water during construction, the traffic control plan, the daily and overall project schedules, and provide details on how you can contact us for more information. Kennebec Water District has been awarded $3.7 million in grants and low-interest loans to complete this project through the Drinking Water State Revolving Fund, which is a federal program operated by the state of Maine. Of the total project budget, we successfully secured nearly $1.3 million in grants, which will substantially reduce the impact on ratepayers. Through a competitive bid process, Nitram Excavation of Benton was awarded the construction contract and will be completing the work. As the title of the project indicates, the water main along the full length of Pleasant Street in Waterville will be replaced. The yellow box shown here indicates the area from the intersection of Main Street to the intersection of Western Avenue where construction will take place. While the majority of our work will be focused on Pleasant Street, the water mains on Pleasant Place, Center Street, and Pleasant Court will also be replaced as part of this project. The areas outlined in yellow show the limits of the work. Kennebec Water District's 2018 comprehensive plan identified the existing 6-inch water main on Pleasant Street as limiting the flow of water from Kennebec Water District's Western Avenue pump station to Main Street in Waterville. Replacing the water mains on Pleasant Street and the other roads included in this project will improve the hydraulics and water quality within the Pleasant Street neighborhood and the entire Main Street corridor. The existing pipes scheduled for replacement have an average age of over 100 years old and are at the end of their useful life. There have been multiple emergency main repairs completed in the project area over the past 10 years. You can see in the picture Kennebec Water District completed an emergency leak repair during a February snowstorm of last year. Additionally, replacing the existing 2-inch and 6-inch pipes with larger and stronger pipes will ensure enough water capacity for future development and firefighting purposes. An above-ground temporary water system will be constructed for this project to provide water to homes and businesses throughout the duration of the work. The temporary water system will be connected to your existing service lines at the edge of your property, so water metering will not be impacted by the project. We encourage you to use the water supplied by the temporary water system as you normally do. It is safe to drink, shower, and cook with. There will be short duration water outages during the initial hookup and again at disconnection from the temporary system. The district and Nitram Excavation will work with you and provide notice prior to any planned water outages. For those customers that have a separate fire service from Kennebec Water District, a temporary water connection will be supplied for the fire service line as well. For the safety of the temporary water system and the traveling public, we ask that everyone watch for barricades and cones that will mark the above-ground piping. Kennebec Water District, Nitram, and the City of Waterville have developed a traffic control plan designed to minimize the impact to motorists and pedestrians, as well as create a safe work environment for completing the necessary construction. Although traffic impacts are unavoidable on these streets and their intersecting streets, the phasing of the work is expected to allow one lane of traffic to be open during the majority of construction. The project will be broken down into 3 phases. Phase 1 will include Pleasant Street from Main Street to North Street. This stretch of Pleasant Street will be closed during the work to expedite the water main installation. Phase 2 is the largest phase and includes Pleasant Street from North Street to Park Street, Pleasant Place, Center Street, and Pleasant Court. During this phase, Pleasant Street will be closed to northbound traffic at Park Street. However, southbound traffic on Pleasant Street will be allowed. The other streets included in this phase will be open to local traffic only. Phase 3 includes Pleasant Street from Park Street to Western Avenue. This phase will be completed during the summer when the Albert S. Hall School is not in session. Like Phase 2, Pleasant Street will be closed to northbound traffic at Western Avenue, while southbound traffic will be allowed to pass. The work zone will be as compact as possible and move along the street as water main installation progresses. Residents who live in the project area will be provided access to their driveways throughout construction. Any complete road closures will be for short durations and signs will be posted to alert drivers in advance. Anyone traveling through the area is advised to use caution, look for signs, flaggers, and barricades that may be directing traffic, and if you're only passing through the area, we encourage you to seek alternate routes to reduce potential congestion. The schedule for this project is typically Monday through Friday from approximately 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. No work is anticipated on holidays or weekends. 1 to 2 days of night work is required to mitigate traffic congestion at the intersection of Pleasant Street and Western Avenue. The contractor will be paving high traffic areas weekly on Friday, providing a smooth driving surface for heavier weekend traffic. We anticipate construction will begin in mid-April and be completed by September of this year. Prior to any extended water outages, notice will be provided to affected customers via a hand-delivered flyer and notice on our Facebook page. We will also be posting project updates on our Facebook page. So if you haven't already, make sure to like our page to stay up to date on all of our news and announcements. As a reminder, my name is Max Kenny, and I will be the Kennebec Water District's primary contact for questions throughout the duration of this project. Bill, our engineering technician, will be on-site daily overseeing construction activities and representing the district for on-site matters. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to contact us via phone at 207-872-2763 or email us at info@kennebecwater.org. We will be happy to answer any questions or provide additional information about how this project may impact you. Lastly, we appreciate you taking time to watch this video and learn about the upcoming and important project for Kennebec Water District.